Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I hope everyone is having a great week so far. So I have some Merry Mail and I have a haul for you guys. So I received this beautiful card from Jill, who is Jill May's Creations here on YouTube, and this is so pretty, Jill. And it opens like this. It says, "May you enjoy the magic of the season, the love of family, and the new year ahead of you. Merry Christmas, hugs, Jill." And she always thinks of me around the holidays, and she will be receiving a card from me as well. But I love this card. It's so pretty. So I'm going to start off with the Dollar Tree. I got this mat, placemat right here. I think it is so pretty. It says Joy. I found one lonely star left at one of the locations I went to, so I picked that up because I am making the cutest things, and I was inspired by Strawberry Cream 39, who is who is Jen here on YouTube, and I will show those on my Saturday morning makes. So I also picked up these. They had these mini pine picks, and they had them in the flocked, so as you can see, they look like they have snow on them. And I picked up a few of those, and I only found them at one location. I had went to 4 different ones, and I only saw them there. And then they had them in silver, with silver on them, and then I found them with gold. So I picked up several of each because I plan on making some of those stockings like Anna White made. And then I found one of these, just plain stockings, the mini stockings. And they only had one. So I grabbed that up. And then I'm going to be making a wreath for a company that contacted me to make some items. And one of the items I'm going to make, or one of the projects I'm going to make, is a wreath. And I had some of this red, but I don't think I had enough, so I grabbed one more of this mesh. And it's a red with gold. So I grabbed one of those. And then I grabbed another one of these gingerbread wood pieces. I think they're so stinking cute, and this is going to go out in Happy Mail. And then I didn't have these bells yet, so I saw them and I grabbed me a pack of bells. And then I saw these cute bags. So they're treat bags, and they're little gnomes all over them. So stinking cute. You get an 8 count, and they are so cute. So I love those. And then I found this 10-pack of treat bags, and I thought these were really cute too. Look at the Gingies, so cute. And they're in pink, my favorite color. So I grabbed some of those. And then I saw that they finally got a craft spatula, and I didn't have one, so I grabbed one for me. And guys, my Dollar Tree has gone up to $1.25. I don't know if y'all's has yet. And if it hasn't, you need to pick up whatever you need to pick up before it goes up. But mine's now $1.25. And that's everything I got from the Dollar Tree. Next, I did an eBay purchase. I can't say it's the cheapest thing I ever purchased before. It wasn't one of my great deals, but it wasn't a horrible deal. So I never got this Brutus Monroe stamped timber, and I was kicking myself for not ever getting it, and I really, really wanted it. It's called Sweet Seasonal Apples, and it was brand new. I bid on it. One other person bid on it once, and then I bid one more time, and I won it. And I nowhere near paid what other people were paying that they have it listed for. This person did an actual auction, and they started it around 20. So it didn't go too high, so I'm pretty happy about that, and I love it. I can't wait to make some projects with it. So it says, "Holiday wishes and snowman kisses, joy, there is no one like you, happy holidays, welcome fall, you're the pick of the orchard, you are the caramel to my apple, happy Halloween, you're a treat and spooky." So it's like 3 different seasons you can make make it, and then there's a little tag and a bow, and I think it's so cute. And then they also sent me this pen that they got with it, which I already have this one, so I'll probably gift it to somebody. But that's what I got from eBay. And then I did an order from My Creative Time, and it's ran by Emma. This is who owns the shop, and she is the sweetest lady. And she makes some of the cutest projects. So this right here is the website, if you're interested. And what I picked up this time was the cute card envelope die. So it comes looking like this and this. So you have to put it together, and it goes with her cute card dies that look like this. I had already purchased this, but in case you're interested to see what they look like, you get the actual frame to the card, and then you get the layering dies stitched or not stitched. And it's a really good deal, and I really like them. So it's like a mini slimline, but it's her own size. I don't know if this is the standard mini slimline size. Actually, let me pull out my ruler real quick in case you're interested in the size of it. So let's see here. So it is 5.5. Yeah, like 5.5 by 3 3/8. Okay, guys. So that's how big it is. And then I picked up one other thing. This is so cute. It's called the Heart Mug Die, and she has it on sale right now. I think it's regularly like $15.99, and she has it like for $7.49. So if you want it, I would go grab it right now, because that is an excellent price. It's going to be so cute for Valentine's Day. So I just love it. You can use it any time of the year, but I think it'll be a cute Valentine card or what have you. So cute. So I grabbed that. I was like, I can't beat that for that price. And then I went to scrapbook.com and I got some more items to go with my Fill and Frosty. So I got the Fill and Frosty Bits and Pieces. And it comes with 59 pieces, and this is what they look like. Aren't they cute? And then I got the decorative brads. There's 27 self-adhesive brads and 6 chipboard pieces. And that's what they look like. So they don't actually have a brad, they're actually adhesive. And they're so cute, and they have metal for these ones around them. And then these ones are just like chipboard pieces. So cute. And then lastly, from the Fill and Frosty, I picked up the foam stickers, and you get 48 stickers. And it's front and back. Snuggle weather, I love that. I just love the colors of this. And then they had 3 free items the day that I purchased. So they had this Simple Stories. It's called Hello December. You get 14 pieces. And this is what it came with. And then I got the Paper Rose Berry Border Metal Die. I thought that was really cute. And then you got the Christmas Wishes Reminisce 24 6x6 double-sided sheets. You get 3 each of 8 designs. And this paper is a nice thickness, and the papers are really cute. Let me show you. I think you can buy this on their site also. So, yeah, you get 6 of each, and they're front and back. And like I said, they're thick. So you get that one. This one. Isn't that pretty? I love this one. Looks like little cookies. And that's the back. So I love that you get so many. And then here's the last sheet. And then that's the back, little cut aparts. And then lastly, I went to Michael's to get the $4.99 paper that they have this week for the Hot Buys. And I had to travel for 25 minutes because that was the only location that had this paper pad. But it was Silent Night. And I'll do a quick flip through because most of y'all have probably seen this, but in case one of you hasn't, just in case you're on the fence about whether or not you want it, it is such a pretty paper pad. So you get 2 of each. And there's some cut aparts. And it has silver foil, which I absolutely love. And there's some 6x6. I love those skates. But this girl right here loves pink and Tiffany blue. So this is right up my, whoops. This is right up my alley. So pretty. Look at that silver with the pink on it. Some more cut aparts. Ornaments. That's really pretty. Pretty. This whole paper pad is so gorgeous. And that's it for that. And then I picked up, they had their, I had already picked up one of these, but I wanted another one. They had $3.99. And you get these bells in there. You get silver, gold, green, and red. And then you get some chain, some charms, some jump rings, and some lobster clasps. Let me open so I can show you really quick. If I can get it open. I should have had it open. I got 2 different ones. But the charms are really cute. Sorry about that, not sticking to me. So this is what you get. Let me show you the charms. So you get a candy cane. You get a tree, you get an adorable Santa face, you get a Gingy, you get a snowman and a stocking. Cute. And then you get the jingle bells. They're such a cute size. Perfect for tags or any kind of project. And then the other thing I got was, get it real quick. I was on the fence about this, but I was like, you know what, I really like it in the Christmas. I don't have a lot of Christmas beads. So this one's called Bead Mix. And they're pretty and they're nice size. I like these ones with the gems on them. Really pretty. So I got those. And then they had some ribbon for $1.49. And I got these two right here. Really cute. Love the colors. And then the very last thing I got was from Jaded Blossom. And they sent me a nice little note. I love when companies do that, put a really nice touch. And the set I got was called Just Add Marshmallows. And I alerted it, or I made it an alert to notify me when they got it back in stock. And it says, we go together like cookies and hot cocoa. You are the marsh to my mellow. Gingerbread addict, gingerbread wishes and hot cocoa kisses, warm wishes, just add marshmallows and stir away, wishing you a happy holiday. And this is the size of them. They're a really good size. So adorable. And you can put the face on the cup if you want. Cute. Alright guys, that's everything that I purchased. I hope you enjoy and I hope y'all have a great week. I love you guys. Bye.